Yes, girls. So as I couldn't able to take the class properly, so I have recorded a class for code problems. So ninth, 10th, 11th, 12th, 13th will be your homework. 14th one, I'll make sure that tomorrow I'll record it and I'll send you. Or else I'll just, because the same problem, or else I'm going to write in a notes and I'm going to send you. So what was the ninth question is, on July 1st, A sells the goods to B for 10,000 and drew three bills on him. The first 2,000 for 1 month, second 3,000 for 2 months, and third 5,000 for 3 months. So B has accepted. The first bill is retained by A till a date of maturity. Second bill endorsed to AAC, and the third bill was sent to bank for collection. All the bills got dishonored on a maturity period. So the noting charges have been levied by the bank. So here this one, A, B, and a C. C is a endorsee. C is a endorsee. So this person here, he has done. So A first for the sales I have written, here for a purchases I have written. Then three different bills. So here it is, three different bills accepted. Now first one, I did not write anything because we retained only on an honor or a dishonor, we have to pass entry. So second bill we have endorsed to C, the same entry I have posted in these books also. And then bill sent for collection that I have written. Now, fifth entry onwards, it is all about the dishonor. So three entries, three different entries I have posted. These fifth, sixth, and seventh concentrate. Fifth one, the bill was with us. That's why we have written B's account. All the bills we have to write is return to B only, ma. That is the reason B will be on the top returned account. If it is honored, in the place of a B, we'll write have a cash ma. But if it is dishonored, we have to return to the party, no? So who is the party who accepted? B. That's why in all the three cases, just see fifth, sixth, and the seventh, in all the three cases, B was on the debit because he is the receiver. We'll return the bill to him. So B's account debit, two bills receivable. The bill was with me and two cash I have paid for noting charges. Then sixth one, B's account debit to C because it is endorsed. I cannot give the bill to C, so I cannot give a bill to B. Who has to give me first? I should get it from the C. So C has to give. That's why B's account debit to C's account. And then last one, B's account debit, two bills sent for bank for collection because it is not with me again, it is with the banker. So that's why I have to write like that. So these points are very important. Whereas in the B's book, simply we are going to write as bills payable, or in all the cases bills has to be cancelled, Nana. That is the reason bills payable, bills payable, bills payable. Noting charges, see here, noting charges for him it is a expenditure, no, I have to highlight that it is expenditure. And the noting charges account debit to ace account to cash account, means in the form of noting charges he is paying extra 45 rupees, no, total together 10, 15, 20, that. And in the C's case, when it is dishonored, instead of he has to return to whom? C got a bill from whom? He got from A. That's why he will return to A and A is going to return to B. That's why C, A's account debit, bills receivable to cash, noting charges. Now, second one, 10th one is nothing, it's just like n number of times the endorsement can be done. That's what he wants to show. So here he said B draws a bill to Q on 6 for 600. Q accepts the same. P endorsed the bill for R and R to T, and T then discounts with the banker itself. And in all the cases it got dishonored. The first bill was drawn on a Q. So that's why first entry was exercised on P's account and a Q's account. Then what happened? P has endorsed to R. So next transaction, R's account and P's account were affected. Then what R has done, he endorsed to T itself. So this one already we have seen actually. P's account to bills receivable and that one. But previously whatever we have seen, until the bank he got discounted, that one we have seen. But we didn't see if it is dishonored. We have seen honored entry, not a dishonored. So when it is a dishonor, I'll not come from the first none. I'll not come from here. I'll come from here. First, who is affected because of dishonor? T. So whom he is going to give? From where he got a bill? ఎవరు ఇచ్చినాడు వాడికి? ఆర్. కాబట్టి ఆర్ కి వాడు ఇచ్చేస్తాడు. ఆర్స్ అకౌంట్ డెబిట్ టు బ్యాంక్. ఎందుకంటే he got discounted. The bill is not with him. It is with the bank. So R's account debit to bank as asset. Then I'll come down to the R's account. Now R ki bill ekkadi nunchi vachindi? It was given by the P. So adi vaadiki icheseyali kada. So P's account debit to T. ఎవరు ఇచ్చినారు? T ఇచ్చినాడు. అందుకే P కి ఇచ్చేసినట్టు T ఇచ్చినట్టు ఇలా చూపిస్తాడు అనమాట. P's account debit to T's account. సో ఇప్పుడు ఎక్కడికి వెళ్ళాలి మనము? P దగ్గరికి వెళ్తాం. సో పి రాసేటప్పుడు పి ఎవరికి ఇచ్చేసేయాలి? ఎవరు అసలు యాక్సెప్ట్ చేశారు పే చేస్తామని? క్యూ. సో దట్స్ వై క్యూస్ అకౌంట్ డెబిట్ టు హూ హ్యాస్ గివెన్ హిమ్ ఆర్. సో క్యూస్ అకౌంట్ డెబిట్ టు ఆర్స్ అకౌంట్. సో దిస్ ఈస్ you need to concentrate. This is important entry. Please look into it. Okay, fine. And last one, bills payable to the thing has to be cancelled. So from here, whenever it is endorsement, first party, the latest party of endorsement, akkad nunchi back రావాలి మనం. అది గుర్తుపెట్టుకోండి. And then was 11th entry. 11th one, what happened? There are only two parties. So two parties. What is the new thing in this one is what happened? The bill which was drawn, which was discounted, got dishonored. So when it got dishonored, we have written third entry, Jagannath to bank. I said no, dishonor bill na దగ్గర లేదు, బ్యాంక్ దగ్గర ఉంది. సో అప్పుడు నేను బిల్స్ రిసీవబుల్ ఇవ్వలేను. I'll write bank because he has to collect from a bank. But in the books of Jagannath, he will cancel bills payable because what he has done, he is least bothered. Vishwanath, whether he got discounted, whether he waited, it doesn't matter for Jagannath. Jagannath is concerned only with a bill. So bills payable to Vishwanath and Rasan. And later on, what happened itself? Again, a new bill, fresh bill was drawn. So bills, ఈసారి 1470కి ఉందంట. సో అందుకే బిల్స్ రిసీవబుల్ అకౌంట్ డెబిట్ టు జగన్నాథ్ టు ఇంట్రెస్ట్ వీ హ్యావ్ రిటర్న్. ద సేమ్ థింగ్ ఇస్ రిటర్న్ హియర్. And then the 12th one is also same, Nana. Kakapati, he has asked us, what is the 12th one is, the bill was drawn, the bill got discounted, and then bill has been dishonored. And a fresh bill has been drawn. But after drawing a fresh bill, sixth entry, you just see. The B has become an insolvent. Ante appula palu అయిపోయాడు. And he cannot get anything. Only 50 paisa in a rupee he is going to give it since. In 1 rupee, I can get only 50 paisa. That means the total bill amount is 4,080 అయితే అందులో నుంచి half I'm going to get. So balance is what? A loss for me, no? So that's why bad debts I'm going to write. Whereas in the B's book, I'm going to write deficiency. I can't write bad debts in myself, no. I'll write deficiency of funds. So here he asked, show me how the things will come in the A's account. And we book lo manam prepare cheste, A's prepare cheste ela chestam. So settle అయిపోయింది కదా, డెఫిషియన్సీ ఆఫ్ ఫండ్స్ ఏదో ఒకటి. బట్ ఇంకా మనం ఏం చేయలేము, సెటిల్ చేసేస్తాం. సో 40 రూపీస్ వస్తుందన్న, ఈ 40 రూపీస్ ఇక్కడ ఎక్కడో నేను సపరేట్ గా రాయాల్సింది వెళ్ళి కొత్త బిల్ కి, నేను అది రాయలేదు. అందుకే ఇక్కడ బై ఇంట్రెస్ట్ అని 40 రూపీస్ వేసేసాను. దట్స్ 13th will be your homework. 14th we are going to see.